Okay, so here's how you jack up a Honda CR-V. And this is also basically follow the reverse of this step in order to jack the car up. So wheels going back in the car. Make sure you line up the holes of the wheel lugs. And then bolts it on. Here, just give me a second because I gotta jack it up more. I'm doing this for you guys. Come on, just hold the wheel. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna jack the car up and we're gonna put the wheel on. Hopefully the wheel doesn't fall right now. Okay, so now we're gonna line up the holes with the lugs. There, the wheel is on. It was on. Okay, so now we're gonna put lug nuts on. There we go. Oh my god, it's so raining out. There we go. Huh. And you can't forget to lubricate and Siliglide the bracket hardware as well, right? Just so everything's loose the next time you do it. Okay, so now we're going to tighten the wheel lug nuts. I wish I had my air gun out here, but I don't, so it's raining. Okay. I wish I had the proper tools doing this in a shop on a hoist, but unfortunately I do not have that ability right now. And after I tighten this a little bit, I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 110 Newton meters, and then I will post the next part of this in a sec.